Tired of manually transferring Google Sheets data? Let's connect Google Sheets to Zapier to supercharge your automation game. First, head over to Zapier.com and log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click the Create Zap button to start a new automation. Now, select Google Sheets as your trigger app. This means Google Sheets will initiate the automated workflow. Choose a trigger event, such as New Spreadsheet Row, which means the Zap will trigger every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet. Click Continue, and you'll be prompted to connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. Click the Connect button and choose the Google account you want to use. Google will ask you to grant Zapier permission to access your Google Sheets. Click Allow to proceed. Back in Zapier, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use for your automation from the drop-down menus. Click Continue, and then click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully access data from your Google Sheet. Now that your Google Sheet is connected, it's time to choose an action app. This is what you want Zapier to do with the new data from your sheet. For example, you could send the data to Slack, create a task in a project management tool, or add it to another spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to Zapier. Now you can automate your workflows and save tons of time. Be sure to explore all the different action apps and triggers to create powerful automations that fit your needs.